Bhavi, repeat your sentence.
When I am going to when
When
I am going
when when के बाद subject है ना कि helping verb.
when
When WH के बाद है
helping verb.
helping verb है तो when
When
am I?
am
हाँ.
I when am I going to peep in my neighbor's house? है ना, मैं अपने पड़ोसी के घर में कब ताक झाँक करूंगी, वो भी एक
you
और
don't you don't look like that कि
हाँ,
you are going to peep
नहीं,
on
look
your
like, in spite of this, look like I don't have time. If I
हाँ.
look like then but what
You
happened is
don't have
how
time to peep out.
I'm so busy. I don't know how people manage their all the things, but I just keep on running here and there. I don't know how I all manage. And
हाँ.
see,
Up down up
anything that
down up down
sir
up
has
down
given
was going on. हाँ, up down was going on.
up down is ma'am is saying something. Ki you are
No,
saying
I'm saying. Yesterday sir has given up down instead
up
of
down.
here and there.
हाँ, spectral नहीं. I
Com- communicate नहीं. Up
हाँ,
down
commute.
commute. हाँ.
Commute. I keep on commuting here and there. I keep on commuting here and there आएगा क्या?
I keep
On commuting मतलब आवागमन करती रहती, इधर उधर भगती रहती है ना.
सॉरी, कोई एक कॉल आ गया था तो
ओके. पूनम
it's okay. It's okay.
एक्चुअली मेरी मदर इन लॉ इज हॉस्पिटलाइज ना, सो
why?
What happened?
my not real mother-in-law, my aunt mother-in-law, my
Okay.
mother-in-law's co-sister. So she has some tumor like in her stomach, so it's not diagnosed yet ki what is in her, like, so she has hospitalized now for that diagnosing ki test is going on, all pathology tests are going on. And my sister-in-law has come from US for her mother, so she has called me. So I thought ki maybe something urgent should be na, so that's why I picked her call first. Then so I leave the class and picked her call first.
Today also we got a news. Siddharth Shukla, one of TV star, passed away. Most
Due to
hmm,
just now I go
one
gone
person.
that in Friends Forever I have seen, and I have seen him for the first time. I don't.
First time. I
Yeah.
have seen in many serials,
Okay.
Balika Vatu and all.
No, but I
But,
don't watch. Yes, na?
handsome and
Hmm. Okay. So now that blood test person, he is coming to take the sample of Soumya, so that क्या बोलते platelets.
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 Platelets will मतलब that report will come. What is the condition of platelets? So he will.
Okay.
So
Okay.
maybe I will go for a minute here and there. I will inform and go.
Accumulate.
You will commute, no?
Yeah, I will come.
Accumulate.
I keep on commuting here and there. Then, so you will find me sometime on the terrace, sometime on the down floor, sometime
Hmm.
first
From
floor.
today morning, I was also commuting here and there because Deepika has today Deepika has gone na, actually to
Okay,
Jodhpur.
finally she has
Uh,
gone. Okay.
yes, today she has gone, and today I had sent breakfast and lunch to the hospital also. So
Oh.
from morning 6:30 I'm commuting here and there.
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, upon
So my verb is take part, right?
take part, took part, taken part. Yes.
Okay. So I'm making sentences. My go, no? Uh, Rahul is going to take part in Ganesh Chaturthi, in the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. राहुल गणेश चतुर्थी के मौके पर पाठ लेगा,
हिस्सा लेगा.
हिस्सा लेगा. Is Rahul going to take part in occasion of गणेश चतुर्थी? क्या राहुल गणेश चतुर्थी में हिस्सा लेगा? Yes, Rahul is going to take part in in occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. No, Rahul is not going to take part in occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi.
Poonam, I think here instead of in on will come. I'm not
On?
sure if sir is listening na. Then he can tell.
He's
कि
going
on,
to take part. Thank you, Bhabhi. Actually, I'm not comfortable to keep my mobile like this. Actually, because of
On.
battery low battery, I'm क्या कहते हैं, keep my mobile in charger. So I kept my mobile in charger. So I could not tilt it. So, where were you? What were you saying?
Poonam is making sentence. Yeah, carry on, Poonam.
Rahul, yes, Rahul is going to take part on occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. And no, Rahul is not going to take part on occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. Um,
WH.
which role will which role is he going to which role is Rahul going to take part on occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi? राहुल ने गणेश चतुर्थी के मौके पर कौन से रोल में हिस्सा लेगा, ऐसा बोलो.
Is it okay? I'm not sure about that last sentence.
Last one.
Little
I am also
confusion
not.
is there.
I am also confused कि it's not like
सर की लैंग्वेज में प्रैक्टिकल नहीं लग रहा है.
हाँ. Which what role will he? What role is he playing? Is he going to take part? What role? No. What role भी नहीं होगा. Which role?
WH है ना?
Which kind of
WH.
which kind of role Rahul, which kind of role is Rahul going to take part?
अरे
Mm,
I think it is working. ठीक है ना?
ठीक है. और we can make it कि when is Rahul going to take part? तो simple, Rahul is going to take part on occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. राहुल कब हिस्सा लेगा? राहुल गणेश चतुर्थी के मौके पर हिस्सा लेगा. तो ये सिंपल हो गया वेनिस. बट अगर कौन सा रोल पर वो हिस्सा लेगा तो which kind of role is Rahul going to take part in on occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi?
which kind
We
of
all are
role?
confused. I think your faces are looking like confused. No one is satisfied with the sentence.
No, no, no. I am satisfied, and I am thinking that we got so many sentences like this, like that, like that. I'm sort of satisfied. Actually, what kind of, which kind of, that is satisfactory uh,
Mhm.
sentence.
Act- Actually, we should make like this. We should be confused, then we will learn more.
Yes, that is true. That is true.
Good afternoon,
Good answer.
Good afternoon, sir.
ladies.
Good afternoon.
Uh, do you have any confusion?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Ask me.
So, my verb was take part. So, I was making sentences on take part. So, first I will start with Rahul is going to take part on occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi or in occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi.
ओकेजन के साथ हमेशा ऑन ही लगता है
Okay,
और
sir.
एक आर्टिकल भी लगाएंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा ऑन द ओकेजन
On
ऑफ.
the okay. On the
लेकिन
occasion.
अभी यहाँ पे एक कमी और है. गणेश चतुर्थी में वो टेक पार्ट नहीं कर सकता है. Any program on Ganesh Chaturthi. He can take part in any program of Ganesh Chaturthi. तो गणेश चतुर्थी को हटा के वहां रख सकते हैं आप, या तो दोनों को रख सकते हैं या रखें सिंपली इन द डांस कंपटीशन, एक्टिंग कंपटीशन, सिंगिंग कंपटीशन ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ गणेश चतुर्थी. ये एक्सटेंशन हो जाए. तो एक बार फिर से पूरे सेंटेंस बना दें पूनम.
Poonam, you are mute.
You're mute.
Rahul is going to take part in the dance competition on.
इसके लिए हमने एक सुझाव दिया था कि कोई बोर ना हो, तो पूनम आप पहले इसको इन्वर्टेड बना के रेनू से पूछो.
Okay. Renu, is Rahul going to take part in dance competition on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi?
Yes, Poonam. He is going to take part in dance competition on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi.
Thank you for using pronoun Renu. This is good.
Okay. Um, Aparna, which uh, kind of dance
अरे
is
इसको ये शब्द आज के बाद कभी ना बोले.
okay?
हमने आपको एक बहुत खूबसूरत WH वर्ड दिया है, व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ.
What sort of uh, dance is sorry?
नहीं नहीं, व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रोग्राम.
What sort of program is Rahul going to take part
इन
on occasion
on the
in
occasion. Yes.
on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi?
Good.
Rahul is going to take part. Rahul is going to take part in dance program dance program on the
Occasion of
occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi.
Ganesh Chaturthi. So we can ask like when is Rahul going to take part in dance competition?
Renu will answer. हाँ, this is correct.
Sir, the same answer will be there, na?
No, new answer, something new.
Okay. He will take part. He is going to um, take part uh, ये टीवी का कौन सा शो आता है ना, ही इज गोइंग टू टेक पार्ट इन नच दे बलिए, आई थिंक.
Poonam asked when. WHEN. When.
When
Right?
हाँ.
he is going to take part uh, in Nach De Baliye when the audition will take place.
Take place. Correct.
Complete the process.
अ, राहुल डांस में कब हिस्सा लेगा?
राहुल जब नच दे बलिए का ऑडिशन होगा तब उसमें हिस्सा
So this confusion is solved. Now,
Yes.
do you have any more confusion?
नो सर.
Okay. Let me check interactive idiom.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
sir. One more confusion is there, sir. So yesterday you have given that word, na,
Commute.
commute. हाँ, sir. When we use the word commute, so I always commute here and there. आएगा कि commute itself is a full word. We don't have to take any extension.
Well, I will not answer this question. Ask Collins
Collins, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
and share it
Okay, sir.
in the group.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Thank you.
it will be concrete.
Okay, sir.
Aparna, have I given you this is what in this class?
Mm, yes, sir. You have given.
Okay.
This is what.
And have I given you this is where?
Yes, sir. When Renuka Verma was coming that time, you have.
Long time no see.
Yes, sir. You have given.
Out of the fire into the frying pan.
Yes, sir.
I will try my best.
Yes, sir.
He is an apple of my eyes.
Yes, sir.
I'm very grateful to you.
Yes, sir.
मैं आपका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ. The belly has no ears.
Yes, sir. भूखे भजन न होए गोपाल.
My leg is asleep.
मेरे पैरों में झुंझुनी हो रही.
An empty vessel sounds much.
Yes, sir. थोता चना बाजे घना.
Keep trying.
Yes, sir.
Rod is the logic of fools.
Rod is not. Yes, sir.
He's tied up.
Yes, sir. He is tied up.
An empty mind is devil's workshop.
No, sir.
No, sir.
खाली दिमाग शैतान का.
ये गया अभी तो कुछ दिन पहले शायद
हाँ,
गया.
हुआ है.
Okay. Who is it?
Yes, sir.
ये कौन
It's
है?
me.
It's me.
Crying in wilderness.
Yes, sir. भैंस के आगे बीन बजाए.
It is none of your business.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
With the example of none.
Yes. It is hard to live in Rome and fight with the Pope.
Yes, sir. मगरमच्छ के.
The power is cut.
Yes, sir.
Seeing is believing.
Yes, sir. आपको
Not
देख.
yet.
Yes, sir.
Not yet हुआ है क्या?
अभी नहीं, अभी तक नहीं. हाँ, हो गया है, अभी नहीं.
I smell a rat.
नहीं, sir.
No, sir.
Not yet.
Not.
Not yet.
Now, how is the quality?
Sir,
Visibility and audibility.
visibility is clear. Yeah,
Okay.
audibility भी is.
I'm going to take the pens and the interactive today's interactive sentence is dash 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 not yet dash dash exclamatory sign अभी तक तो नहीं. Start creativity. Meanwhile, I'm going to get the pen.
Okay. Renu Bhabi, have you completed all the fair work on your copy, English work?
Aparna, not yet. I
भाभी अपने मुंह से करनी खैर no need to ना translate.
okay. Poonam, have you have you done your facial for the upcoming program of Godh Bharai? You're mute.
No, Renu, not yet.
Have you get your facial done, Bhabi? I think it will be soon. Have you get your facial done?
No,
हाँ.
आप facial
third
करवा
time.
लिया?
Hmm. Have you get? Thank you, Aparna. Have you get your facial done?
Have you, excuse me, have you got, I
Have you
think.
got? Yes, I was about to tell. Have you got your facial done?
Have you got your facial done for the upcoming गोद भराई को क्या बोलते हैं?
Baby shower.
बेबी शावर. हाँ, बेबी शावर फंक्शन.
No, Renu, not yet. Okay. Aparna, um, have you made your dinner?
Not possible, not yet. In the evening, I will think about it. I started thinking about it in the from in evening.
Okay, Aparna, in your house, you decide yourself what to have, or your husband decide?
I decide myself.
That
He
is
what
good.
to make. Huh?
Uh,
On the
in my
choice of the family, I make everything.
Okay, in my family, I don't have to think for that also. That's why no use of brain. They all decide what they want to have. I just have to cook. So now little brain usage is there.
Yeah.
Guys, this is today's idiom. Poonam, firstly tell me which chapter does this sentence belong? If your mobile is horizontal, so and you can pin.
Sir, I can read only smell a rat.
I smell a rat. And this sentence belongs to simple present tense.
Absolutely correct, Poonam. Ask the second related question to somebody else.
Okay. Um, uh, Aparna, what is subject in this sentence?
What is the subject?
What is the subject in this sentence?
Poonam, I is the subject in this sentence. Renu Bhabi, what is the smell here?
नहीं अपर्णा ये पूछो what is the helping verb in this sentence?
Okay. What is the helping verb in this sentence, Bhabi?
Aparna, there is no helping verb in this sentence. And Poonam, what is main verb in this sentence?
Smell is the main verb in this sentence. Aparna, what is a in this sentence?
Poonam, a is the article in this sentence.
Okay.
Renu Bhabi, what is red in this sentence?
Rat is an object in this sentence. Rat is a object in this sentence. Object or noun? Okay.
Rat is an object.
Rat is
ओके, पहले तो एन लगेगा ना, एन ऑब्जेक्ट.
yes.
Rat is an object in this.
Yes, sir. Rat is an object in this sentence.
Now, Renu ask, can you guess the meaning of this sentence to Poonam?
Poonam, can you guess the meaning of this sentence? A smell. I smell a rat.
आई थिंक मुझे चूहे की स्मेल आ रही है, आती है.
Now ask the same question, Poonam, to Aparna.
Okay. Aparna, can you guess the meaning of the sentence?
Poonam, maybe it should be कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, ऐसा कुछ.
Ask
Should be the Renu Bhabi, what should be the meaning of this sentence?
The meaning of this sentence should be किसी के आने का आभास हो जाना, मतलब कुछ इंट्यूशन हो जाना. आई थिंक समथिंग रिलेटेड टू दैट. ओके सर, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस?
दाल में काला.
कोई
दाल में कुछ काला है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. वो सीआईडी प्रद्युम्न बोलते थे ना हमेशा से, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
दाल कुछ काला.
लेडीज, अगर आप में से किसी को पूछना है किसी से, क्या तुम्हें दाल में कुछ काला नजर आ रहा है, तो कैसे बनाएंगे बात?
सर, इज समथिंग इज स्मेलिंग अ रैट टू यू?
ओके, पूनम.
So I think, do you smell a rat?
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट.
Yes.
आपको 7.25 करोड़ रुपए. अब यही
Yes.
सवाल आप अपर्णा से पूछिए.
Aparna, do you smell a rat?
Yeah. Poonam, I smell a rat. Renu Bhabi, do you smell a rat? Renu Bhabi, do you smell a rat?
Yes, Aparna. I smell a rat.
Ask me.
Sir, do you smell a rat?
No, not at all. I don't smell a rat.
क्या दाल में कुछ गड़बड़ है?
नहीं, दाल पूरी पीली है, कोई काला नजर नहीं आ
दाल में कुछ काला है.
एक बार, अब बच्चे जो होते हैं जब ढेर सारे बैठे रहते हैं तो ऐसे सवाल भी होते हैं. एक बार एक बच्चे ने पूछा था, अच्छा सर, अगर ऐसा बोलना हो कि पूरी दाल ही काली है तो कैसे बोलेंगे? तो कुछ सेकंड के लिए तो हम भी एकदम स्तब्ध रह गए कि भाई ये हम बना तो सकते नहीं, हमने तो बनाया नहीं है, तो ऐसा कैसे बोले. लेकिन कुछ देर बाद एक फनी आंसर आया तो मैंने उसको दिया, बेटा इसको ऐसे बोलना कि आई स्मेल रेट आई रेट. Everybody was laughing as the question is as the answer is. या ऐसे बोल देना, I smell a lot of rats. इसका एक पर्यायवाची सेंटेंस और है लेडीज. चलो इस बार प्रश्न हम शुरू करते हैं. अपर्णा, नहीं, रेणु, विच चैप्टर इज दिस Sorry, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sir, this sentence belong to be present.
Belongs to.
Belongs to be present.
Now ask the next question.
Okay, Poonam, what is the subject in this sentence?
Something is the subject in this sentence. Aparna, uh, what is a helping verb in this sentence?
लगाओ पूनम. Lipstick लगाओ. Da.
Uh, what should be the helping verb?
नहीं, should नहीं. The बस लगाना. What is the
Okay.
helping verb?
What is the helping verb in this sentence?
Um, there is no helping verb in this sentence. Renu Bhabi, what is he in this sentence?
Is the helping verb in this sentence. Oh, sorry, main verb in this sentence. Sorry. Okay. Poonam, what is fishy in this sentence?
Renu, fishy is the object in this sentence.
Thank you. Poonam asked the same question to Aparna, then Aparna will ask the same question to Renu. Let's find who is absolutely right.
Okay. Aparna, what is fishy in this sentence?
Uh, fish is an adverb in this sentence. Adjective.
You ask Renu.
I'm little confused. What is a fishy in this sentence, Renu Bhabi?
Fishy is an adjective in this sentence. Adjective or noun, but it is adjective here.
Adjective.
So, what is fishy in this sentence?
Right. Fishy is an adjective, 100% adjective. Adjective that is विशेषण. विशेषण अर्थात जो संज्ञा की विशेषता बतलाता है. और यहाँ समथिंग जो है वो संज्ञा है, नाउन है, उसकी विशेषता बतला रहा है फिशी, कि समथिंग कैसा है, फिशी है. तो जो शब्द किसी नाउन की संज्ञा की व्यक्ति या वस्तु की विशेषता बतलाता है उसे विशेषण कहते हैं. यस. एक सेंटेंस बना डालिए. इससे थोड़ा सा बड़ा बनाना चाहे तो बड़े भी बना सकते. मीनिंग इज सेम. कुछ गड़बड़ है या दाल में कुछ काला है. बोथ आर करेक्ट.
Yesterday I went to my friend's house and when I entered her house, she was talking with her another friend. When she
टू लगाओ.
another to when talking to another friend, when I entered, she saw me and she stopped herself over there. So I thought कि something is fishy. मैं कल अपनी एक फ्रेंड के यहाँ गई, वो अपनी एक दूसरी फ्रेंड से बात कर रही थी, तो जैसे ही उसने मुझे देखा वो एकदम शांत हो गई, तो मुझे लगा कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
I talk to my mother daily. So yesterday when I called her in the evening, she didn't pick my call. Then again at 8 o'clock, I called her. Then also she didn't pick my call. Then thereafter at about 9:30, 10, I called. Then my brother received the call. Then I thought that there must be something fishy. तो कल मैंने अपनी मम्मी को पहले 6 बजे फ़ोन लगाया, फिर 8 बजे फ़ोन लगाया, फिर 10 बजे फ़ोन लगाया, पर उन्होंने नहीं उठाया. तो मुझे लगा कि कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, कुछ दाल में काला है. पूनम.
Yeah. The Yesterday, uh, I had gone to the doctor uh, for my checkup, and um, because I am suffering from some problem, so doctor was asking me question. Then he was not replying to me. He had called to my husband. Uh, he was not telling me anything. So it's clicked on my mind कि something is fishy. मैं कल डॉक्टर के पास गई थी और मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम था, तो और वो मेरा चेकअप कर रहे थे और उन्होंने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया, उन्होंने मुझे मेरे हस्बैंड को बुलाया, तो मुझे ऐसा माइंड में क्लिक हुआ कि दाल में कुछ काला है.
Good.
Is everything okay?
Everything is okay. It was just imaginary sentence. Nothing was there.
Wow.
So my friend was asking again and again, sir, Ashish, tell me why is Salman Khan not getting married, refusing again and again? I said something is fishy. Guys, um, Aparna, what should be the verb for sungna?
The sir verb for sungna should be smell.
Ask the second question.
What should what should be the second form of smell, Bhabhi?
The second form of smell should be smelled. And Punam, what should be the third form of smell?
Renu, the third form of smell should be smelled.
पूनम अपर्णा से पूछो यहाँ पे स्मेल क्या है इंग्लिश में.
Okay. Aparna, यहाँ पर smell.
इंग्लिश
What
में
is
पूछो.
okay? What is smell here?
Smell is an smell is a noun here.
Okay, good. Ladies, as you are watching on the whiteboard, I have given you the meaning of smell. Smell is a gandh. Now, this is a field work for you. You will have to tell me today or later. If you know, you can tell me right now what is the word for Sugandh and what is the word for Durgandh.
The sir, the uh,
Sugandh for
word for
fragrance.
the word for sugandh is
Fragrance.
fragrance, and dugandh is
Instinct. Instinct.
stinking.
Poonam, tell me the spelling of fragrance.
Sir, the spelling of fragrance is FRAGRANCE.
Fragrance. Fragrance.
And what did you tell about Durgandh? I could not hear.
Stinking.
Stink.
No, speaking is incorrect.
Stink.
Keep trying. Today or later, whenever.
Stink. Stink. Huh?
Stink is a verb. Have I given you? No.
Yes, sir. You have given. Durgandh.
If I have not given, I can give it to you right now.
You
Aparna,
have
ask
given.
this question to somebody.
Okay, Renu Bhabhi, what should be the verb for badbu marna?
The verb for badbu marna should be stink.
Next question.
Punam, what is the second form of
इसमें मत पूछिए अभी शुरू में पूछिए क्योंकि हमने दिया नहीं है.
sorry, what should be the second form of stink?
I think the second form of stink should be stunk.
Absolutely good. Ask ask the next question.
Aparna, what should be the third form of stink?
The third form of stink should be stunk.
Correct. So this is a verb, ladies. Stink, stunk, stunk. Now you have to tell me the noun for Durgand. You can tell me tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whenever you get, without the help of Google, because it is a field work, it is common. Should I give you any hint?
Yes, sir.
एक बार बड़े मजेदार घटना हुई कि एक बंदे का प्रोनाउंसिएशन गड़बड़ था, तो उसने बोला मेरे को बाथरूम जाना है। तो बड़ी अच्छी बात हो गई कि कुछ वॉशरूम ऐसे होते हैं जो वास्तव में बाथरूम ही होते हैं। मतलब जो कॉमन प्लेसेस में होते हैं, वहां बहुत बास आती है। तो दोस्तों, आप हम लोग अपने घरों में और मॉल वगैरह में उस बास को दूर करने के लिए क्या प्रयोग किया जाता है?
सिर्फ फिनाइल।
हाँ, एक ये तो नहीं है, कट गया। और बताइए।
स्टिंकी कह सकते हैं, स्टिंकी।
बेटा एक प्रोडक्ट है, एक प्रोडक्ट है जो वॉशरूम में लगाया जाता है, उसी में आंसर छिपा।
ओडोनिल, ओडोनिल।
ओडोनिल।
सही जवाब। इसमें से आपको वो शब्द निकालना है जो कि नाउन।
ओडोर।
ओडर, ओडर, ओडर।
ओडोर।
स्पेलिंग
ओडोर।
ODOR।
ODOR। नहीं, OUR आ रहा, ओडोर।
ओडोर।
इसमें क्या आ रहा है? माय सीसी इज ऑफ। इसमें क्या आ रहा है?
ओडोर।
ODOR आया वैसे तो। ओडोर, ओडोर, ओडोर।
तो हम इसको छोड़ देते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए, आप कंफर्म करके व्हाट्सएप कीजिए।
Maybe Poonam is right. Odor. ODOUR.
इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी व्हाट्सएप कीजिएगा। अडोर इज करेक्ट और ओडोर इज करेक्ट। और उस प्रोडक्ट का नाम कंपनी ने इसलिए ओडोनिल रखा है, जो ओडोर को नील कर देता है, वहां से नील कर देता है ओडोर।
हाँ, तो आप when you are speaking, so it is taking ADORE.
Okay,
Adore.
let's put it for the next. Okay.
बॉडी एक वो होता है, बॉडी
Odor.
ओडोर।
हाँ, इसी से डिओडोरेंट भी बना हुआ है, डिओडोरेंट, जो ओडोर को डी यानी किसी चीज को हटा। Should I erase this? Have you written?
This is very surprising for me today. It's
It
a
is news. This is news.
and very much new thing, no? Odonil and Odomas. Odomas is also same thing.
Right.
And very nice thing.
Related to odor. एक्चुअली जो दवाइयों के भी नाम होते हैं दोस्तों, उसमें जो सॉल्ट होते हैं, मतलब टेक्निकल भाषा में उनको सॉल्ट ही बोलते हैं, उसी को दो, मान लो दो सॉल्ट है तो उन्होंने मिला के बना दिया पैरासिटामोल, या ऐसा पैरा भी ऐसे ही बनाते हैं। ओके गाइस, प्लीज ओपन योर बी पास्ट, and whoever opens first, please tell me the sentence.
So the last sentence is, yeah, it was my go.
Okay. And total, Renu, total how many sentences have I given you?
Sir, B pass, I have written only five sentences.
Five.
This is
Okay.
sixth one, Bhabhi.
Sixth one, okay.
It's your go.
It was my go.
हम्म,
या मेरी
अच्छा,
बारी थी.
ये
क्या ये
मेरे
सेंटेंस हमने दिया है? कल आप कहाँ थे या कहाँ गए थे?
Yes, sir. It was first. नहीं, it was second.
ओके.
नहीं, 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 नहीं.
second.
हाँ, हाँ. Second sentence.
कल मेरा
Sorry,
पेपर
yes.
था. कल मेरा पेपर था. पूनम, have I given you this sentence?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So please write it down as the next sentence. कल मेरा पेपर था. I'm writing as well. Who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make the
Ah.
sentence.
Let Poonam make it. She was little bit late to speak.
Okay, sir. I have to make the sentence. This sentence belongs to this sentence belongs to be past chapter, and this is an affirmative sentence.
Correct.
Um, this sentence will start from extension. So yesterday's extension.
You should always follow ऊपर वाला.
Subject.
Yes.
Okay. So, firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject in the sentence is yesterday.
सब्जेक्ट को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं पूनम?
कर्ता.
करता. तो पूनम ये बताओ, क्या अपने इस वाक्य में ये जो शब्द है कल या टुमारो, क्या वो कोई काम कर रहा है?
नो सर, ये बस एक
ये बहुत जरूरी है समझना. दिस इज वेरी नाइस एंड दिस कंफ्यूजन इज आल्सो नाइस. इसलिए इतना सा वाक्य जो दिया है हमने, अपर्णा बनाने वाली थी तो हमने उससे चेंज किया, because she must be knowing the process of making this sentence. और हमने ये पाया है कि पूनम, you are already speaking English, but you are speaking that normal English which is generally according to grammar it is incorrect. But here we want to learn proper grammar. Whether later on you speak whatever you want, no problem. But here we will go according to the grammar.
okay. Sir, here I will take the introductory subject.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I will take the introductory subject. So the introductory subject is there. It.
Yes.
Okay. Then I will take the main verb, and the main verb is was. And then I will take the object or noun. My exam. No.
Next time you should listen carefully, Poonam. Right now, make sentence. Because making sentence in this class is not important. Go ahead.
It was my exam yesterday.
Now, Renu, it's your go. Start from the starting.
Sir, this sentence belongs to be past. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is my paper. सर ये इट आएगा, बट मैं तो उल्टा ही बना दिया कुछ.
No problem.
Sir, firstly I will take the subject, and the subject is my paper. Then I will take the main verb. Main verb is was. Then I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective and noun. Adjective is yesterday. Thereafter I will put the full stop. So my sentence, the full sentence is, my paper was yesterday. कल मेरा पेपर था.
Good. Now it's Aparna. Let's go. Aparna,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
good.
I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to be past. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the introductory or as a subject, then introductory word or subject, that is it. Later on, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is was. Thereafter, I will take the possessive adjective, and the possessive adjective is my. Thereafter, and then I will take the noun. The noun is
उसको ब्रेक मत करो पढ़ना, जो हम हमेशा से बोलते आ रहे हैं बी चैप्टर में, उसको बोलो. बी
then I
चैप्टर में हम तीसरा शब्द जो भी लेते हैं, शुरू से जो हमने आदत रखी है उसको कंटिन्यू.
okay.
For noun.
Huh. Then I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective or noun is my exam. Lastly, I will take the extension
दोस्तों,
and the
आपने देखा कि माय को पहले हमने पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव लिखा क्योंकि वो है, लेकिन ये दोनों शब्द मिलकर यहाँ पे एडजेक्टिव या नाउन की तरह काम कर रहे हैं, और फाइनली हम एडजेक्टिव शब्द को यहाँ से रिमूव कर दे रहे हैं बिकॉज एग्जाम इज ए नाउन.
lastly I will take the extension, and the extension is yesterday. And the end of
दिस
the
इज
sentence I will
ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट है ना. दिस इज ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट. अब रेनू, इसको इन्वर्टेड क्वेश्चन बना के पूनम से पूछो.
Was it your, sir? My की जगह your exam बोलेंगे. हाँ. Was it your exam yesterday?
Yes, Renu, it was my exam yesterday.
क्या कल तुम्हारा एग्जाम था?
हाँ रेणु, कल मेरा एग्जाम था.
अपर्णा, तुम आंसर नेगेटिव दे देना.
Aparna, was it your exam yesterday?
no Poonam, it was not my exam yesterday. It wasn't my exam yesterday.
कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस. पूनम.
Aparna, क्या कल आपका एग्जाम था?
नहीं पूनम, कल मेरा एग्जाम नहीं था. कल मेरी पार्टी थी.
राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. पार्टी कैसी थी? Renu, you have to make this sentence.
Sir, I have to make this sentence, and this sentence belongs to be past. It is an WH sentence. Firstly, I will take the WH word, and the WH word is how. Thereafter, I will take the main verb, and the main verb was. Then I will take the article, and the article is the. Thereafter, at the end, lastly, I will take the noun or adjective, and the noun is party. Um, at the end, I will put the full stop, and the sentence is how was the party?
Full stop नहीं, question mark.
Question mark. Sorry.
So Renu asked this question.
Okay, Aparna, how was the party?
It was nice. We had a fun together after a long time of restriction. So it was nice. I
पार्टी
felt
कैसी थी?
very happy. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. लंबे समय के बाद हमने ये पार्टी की. It was school party. मजा आया. How was the party, Poonam?
Aparna, party was excellent, but I could not enjoy in the party.
पार्टी कैसी थी?
पार्टी तो बहुत अच्छी थी, लेकिन मैंने मजे नहीं किए.
Really? You also went for party?
No, I did not go in for party.
Okay, it's your go to ask.
Okay. Sir, how was the party?
Poonam, Renu is rest.
Renu, okay. Renu, how was the party?
Poonam, well, party was so-so. I was expecting much more, but it is so-so.
Renu,
It
party
was
कैसी?
पार्टी सो थी. मैं बहुत ज्यादा उम्मीद लगा के बैठी थी, बट ठीक ठाक थी.
Write down the next sentence I have already written on the board. और इसमें हिंदी शब्द पर जरूर ध्यान दीजिए, क्योंकि हम बातचीत में ऐसे ही हिंदी शब्द प्रयोग करते हैं. तुम्हारा पेपर कैसा रहा? अब वहाँ नागपुर में ऐसी भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन जबलपुर में लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं, कैसा रहा पेपर? Who made the last sentence?
Sir, I made the last sentence.
So after Renu, whose go is this?
Sir,
It's
my.
my go.
Okay.
Poonam, you made that sentence. No. Aparna made it correct. So it is Poonam's go.
Okay, sir. I had to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to B past chapter, and this is an WH sentence.
This is a WH sentence.
This is a WH sentence. So, firstly, I will take the WH word in the sentence, and the WH word is how. Later on, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is was. Later on, I will take the adjective or noun.
नहीं, वो जो तुम बोल रही कि सही है तो बस बोल देने से अच्छा है डिवीजन.
Possessive adjective. Your. And later on, I will take the adjective or noun. Exam. And lastly, I will put the question mark. So the sentence is, how was your exam?
Ask this question to somebody.
Okay, Renu, How was your exam?
My exam was excellent.
Renu, try to put pronoun.
It was excellent.
Yes, वो सब्जेक्ट बन जाए.
रेणु, तुम्हारा पेपर कैसा रहा?
बहुत बढ़िया रहा.
और ये बहुत बढ़िया भी हुआ रेनू. यहाँ पे इट का कोई अर्थ नहीं निकलता. बहुत बढ़िया था या बहुत बढ़िया रहा, वो इट का कोई अर्थ नहीं, वो इंट्रोडक्टरी है.
Introductory. Okay. Aparna, how was your exam?
Kabhi, it was not up to the mark, but I tried my best.
आपका एग्जाम कैसा रहा?
हाँ, पूरा पूरा तो ठीक नहीं था, पर ठीक है, मैंने अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश की. Poonam, how was your exam?
Oh, Parna, it was not good. I was not prepared for my exam.
I could not prepare.
I could not. I could not prepare. I didn't get time to prepare for exam.
I didn't get that. आपका एग्जाम कैसा था?
लेडीज, सहायक क्रिया कहीं नहीं थी.
सहायक क्रिया कहीं नहीं थी.
Okay. Who made the last?
Poonam made the last sentence, and this is
Who
my.
has to make this sentence? Aparna, it's your.
I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to be past. It is a negative sentence. Firstly, I will take the introductory subject or word, that is there. Thereafter, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is was. Then I will take the negative word, and the negative word is no. And lastly, I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective or noun is helping verb. And lastly, there was no helping verb. Anywhere नहीं, कहीं नहीं थी.
जरूरत ही नहीं है इसकी.
नहीं, अच्छा.
There's no helping verb. हमने ये दूसरा हिंदी भी लिखा, यू कैन सी. सहायक क्रिया थी ही नहीं.
हाँ.
ये हमारे हिंदी के जो भाव है दोस्तों, कई बार हमें अंग्रेजी में कंफ्यूज करते हैं. Otherwise, English is really beautiful language. Okay, my question is, Renu, how was his sentence?
Sir, there was no helping verb in this sentence.
कैसा था उसका सेंटेंस?
सर, उसने हेल्पिंग वर्ब ली नहीं थी.
यस, अब ये हिंदी भी देखिए, वो भी सेम है. अब जरूरी नहीं कि हम टेक लगाएं या ली है, नो नीड. उसने सहायक क्रिया लिया ही नहीं, या वो सहायक क्रिया खा गया, उसका भी इंग्लिश यही होगा, देयर वाज नो हेल्पिंग. या उसने सहायक क्रिया नहीं रखी तो भी यही होगा, देयर वाज नो हेल्पिंग. कम्युनिकेशन मतलब आप जो बोलना चाह रहे हैं वो ऐसे बोले, ऐसे बोले, ऐसे पकड़े कान, वही वाली बात है। आज द सेम क्वेश्चन टू पूनम।
Poonam, how was her sentence?
Renu, uh, it was okay. There was no helping verb in the sentence.
उसका वाक्य कैसा था?
रेणु ठीक था, उसमें सहायक क्रिया थी ही नहीं. Aparna, how was the sentence?
She tried well, but there was no helping verb.
Aparna, sentence कैसा था? वाक्य
Well,
कैसा था?
हाँ पूनम, उसने कोशिश अच्छी की थी पर उसमें हेल्पिंग सहायक क्रिया थी ही नहीं. रीनू भाभी, how was the her sentence?
Her sentence was beautiful, but without any helping verb.
उसका सेंटेंस कैसा था?
उसका सेंटेंस तो बहुत अच्छा था, पर हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बिना था.
किला अभिशप्त है, था.
किला अभिशप्त था. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. Ladies, do you understand the meaning of abhishapt?
शापित.
हाँ,
Cursed.
बिल्कुल सर. श्रापित, जिसमें
Cursed.
भूत प्रसाद ये सब वो and all. एक तो सीधा सीधा सरल सेंटेंस होता है कि वो भूतिया महल था.
हाँ.
वो तो आपको पता होगा, सुना होगा. एक्चुअली दोस्तों, बी चैप्टर आसान से चैप्टर है, तो इसमें हमने क्या किया है, वोकेबुलरी बढ़ाने की कोशिश की. ओके, हु हैज टू मेक दिस सेंटेंस?
Sir, I have to make this sentence, and
Don't worry, I will help you in the word meaning.
word.
You
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead with the process.
Okay. Sir, this sentence belongs to be past. It is an affirmative sentence.
एक सेकेंड रुकिएगा थोड़ा सा, जस्ट मिनट. दोस्तों, आप लोग बी चैप्टर समझने लगे हो? पूनम, आर यू गेटिंग
Sorry, sir. Come again.
बी चैप्टर? आर यू गेटिंग बी चैप्टर?
Yes, sir. I am getting.
एक्चुअली होता क्या है, अब हमने बी चैप्टर में लिखवा दिया तो आपका सबसे पहले तो एक क्लियरिटी आ गई, हाँ भैया ये बी चैप्टर है. तो इसको हम एक बार हल्का सा रिवीजन करते हैं कि किसी चीज का होना दिखाया जा रहा है, भले ही भूतकाल में होना दिखाया जा रहा है. क्या था, कौन था, कैसा था, होना, ऐसा.
Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is fort, killa,
थोड़ी सी लिपस्टिक लगा,
and the
थोड़ी सी लिपस्टिक लगा दे.
and the subject is the fort, the castle, killa. Okay, the castle. Okay, and then I will take the main verb, and the main verb the main verb is was. The castle was. Thereafter, I will take. Lastly, I will take
लास्टली की जगह आप फाइनली भी बोल सकते हैं.
finally, I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective is Cursed.
Poonam, according to you, the last word?
Um, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Aparna, according to you?
Haunted.
हाँ, वो भुतहा के लिए तो हमने पहले ही बोल दिया था कि वो तो आप लोगों को पता होगा, है ना? भुतहा, हॉन्टेड हाउस.
I will go for Renu Bhabi. Cursed.
Have you ever heard zinged?
No, sir.
No, sir. Jing.
So, Poonam, how was the castle?
Sir, the castle was jinged.
Oh my gosh. Have I given you my gosh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
अरे बाप रे.
Uh, पूनम कैसा था किला?
सर किला तो अभिशप्त था.
वाह, उच्चारण अच्छा है अभिशप्त का, हिंदी का.
Okay. Aparna, how was the castle?
Well, Poonam, the castle was jinged.
Um,
Jinged. Jinged.
Aparna, किला कैसा था?
किला अभिशप्त था. Renu Bhabi, how was the castle?
Aparna, oh my gosh, the castle was jinxed.
भाभी किला कैसा था?
हे भगवान, किला अभिशप्त था.
सही है. Okay. Guys, Google is taking the correct spelling of zinc and castle. So, Miss,
जिंग ZINK ले रहा है. It
अच्छा
is
हाँ.
taking ZINK.
हाँ.
Zinged.
Actually, there is a problem. No, it's not problem. Variation. अमेरिकन स्पेलिंग बदली हुई होती है दोस्तों, और गूगल अमेरिकन स्पेलिंग्स फॉलो करता है. आई थिंक गूगल फॉलोज अमेरिकन स्पेलिंग्स, and you can see this thing in dictionary as well. Sometimes two spellings are given, two pronunciations are given. One is British and one is American. Okay, so it's okay. Should we conclude today? It's time to go.
Yes,
Yes, sir, as you.
We have had enough. No?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
I think this is first time you have got so many sentences continuously.
So yesterday also we got so many
Yes,
sentences,
sir.
and day
हाँ.
before yesterday.
Hmm.
So continuously from Monday we are getting so much of stuff.
And you have got interactive sentence idiom as well today.
Yeah. Thank you
See,
so much.
this is a process, automatic process. वो बुनियाद बनाने में समय लगता है. The plinth takes time to be made, but later on it becomes smooth.
So the day will come, na sir. Then when we will only interact, that sessions will be there, na.
No,
After 6 months.
tomorrow, this Saturday, we can, any one of you can send the link, and if I get time and if I don't have any work, I will also join. It will be interactive session.
Yeah,
You
yes.
can discuss each other,
Okay.
and anybody can send the link. And you know, Renu is very sincere to, you know, earlier she used to send link for that batch, practice batch. So any one of you can.
Okay, sir.
So we will put everybody free if you have time. You are welcome.
You can join. Yes, sir. Okay,
And
sir.
it will not be time bound,
Yes, sir.
not necessary 1 hour or 1.5 hours. And suppose if it goes for 2 hours, there is no problem as well.
Okay,
You
sir.
can leave in the middle of the session. You are free to come, free to go whenever you want. You can commute.
Commute. Yes, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Uh,